Alright, here I have an iPad 2, a broken screen. I'm going to replace the screen on this iPad 2. It's kind of hard for me to video. Use my hand. See, as you can see, the screen is completely shattered. Alright, let's move this out. Well, before we do all that, I'm replacing this iPad with a pink screen. This is actually the lining that goes around the edge of the iPad. It's pink lining. I mean, everything is going to be changed on this iPad. Here I have the pink outer screen for the laptop, for the iPad. Everything's going to change, be pink now. Even the home key is going to be pink. So basically, I'm just showing you guys the before and after. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and hold the video while trying to replace a iPad screen. Alright, so as you can see, shattered iPad 2. Here's a pink home screen. I'm going to replace also. Everything that you see that is white is going to be pink when I'm finished with this iPad. Alright? Alright. And there you have it, pink iPad. Everything down to the home key is pink. There you have it, perfect working iPad. Everything working great. There you have it, pink iPad. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day.